In the UI Components tab in the Library section, you can find out-of-the-box interactive and customizable components for iOS, material design, web, and other. Use the drop-down to switch between all the libraries available. These components have been designed to look and work exactly like their native counterparts so that your prototype will match any popular platform's design guidelines. To start with an example, let's drag the Nav Bar with Buttons component from the iOS library. UI components are fully customizable, and each one has a different set of properties to match its capabilities. This specific component allows you to customize the nav bar colors, title and button text properties, and then customize whether each button has text, icon, or neither. Components like tab bars and lists can have any number of tabs or list items, and these have properties and interactions of their own. Let's drag a nested list component to see how that works. As before, by selecting the component, you can customize some basic component properties. On the list component, you can also select individual list items on the canvas and customize that item's properties, such as add a subtitle, change its icon, add interactions through the Interactions tab, or edit its text through the canvas. You can also duplicate or delete a list item using the action icons at the bottom right. To reorder list items, use the Layers panel to sort. All of Proto.io's UI components are interactive and work right out of the box. For example, this on-off switch can be on or off by default, and you can customize its color properties for both states. In the preview, it can be toggled on or off by default without needing to add any extra functionality. Proto.io libraries contain several such interactive components, such as checkboxes, text fields, drop-downs, sliders, and more. Each can be fully customized and can also have interactions attached depending on its functionality. Watch the quick tutorial dedicated to interactions to learn more about this.